Welcome to 46094 Woodward Avenue in Pontiac, Michigan, once known as the Pride of Pontiac. This historic gem, featured on HGTV's Restore America, is more than just a house. It's a cherished place of Pontiac's legacy. Built back in 1860, this residence has played many roles and holds stories of resilience, transformation, and community. Today, we'll not only take you inside this 5,000 square foot treasure, but we'll also explore the lives of the Bacon family who built it. And as a special tribute to the family, we'll visit their final resting place in Pontiac's historic Oak Hill Cemetery. This beautiful Victorian home was built in 1860 by Levi and Sarah Bacon, who came here from the East Coast with their 7 sons. The Bacons were among Pontiac's earliest settlers. Levi, born in 1785, and Sarah, born in 1790, were dedicated to building a life here. And they sure succeeded. This house was their home, and it later became known as the Pride of Pontiac for its impact on the community. Perched right at the beginning of the Woodward Loop, this home is in a prime location. It's the perfect spot for anyone who wants to experience Pontiac's renowned events, like the annual Woodward Dream Cruise, which draws classic car enthusiasts from all over the world. Step inside and see why the home truly earned the name Pride of Pontiac. With 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full baths, and 2 half baths, the house was designed with both elegance and function in mind. Nearly 5,000 square feet of living space provides plenty of room to make memories. And the intricate woodwork, high ceilings, and original fireplaces remind us of craftsmanship of the 19th century. The home even has an additional 2,000 square feet of basement space and a 2-car garage, perfect for those wanting to store or showcase their classic cars. Sitting on nearly a full acre, the property is one of the most unique in Pontiac. The oversized lot is made up of 4 parcels, giving you space for gardens, outdoor gatherings, or simply enjoying the peace and privacy of your own historic estate. Not many homes in Pontiac offer this kind of land. Combined with an ideal spot overlooking the Woodward Loop, this is a place where history and community come together. In recent years, this home was honored with a feature on HGTV's Restore America, recognizing the dedication to preserving its historic character. The previous owners who launched the Pride of Pontiac project, as well as its current owners, have poured their efforts into maintaining this home's beauty and significance. Their work keeps the story of the Bacon family alive, preserving a piece of Pontiac's past for future generations. Before we head out to the final resting place of the Bacon family, let's take a moment to appreciate some of my favorite features of this incredible home. The attention to detail here is simply remarkable. From the beautiful woodworking to the carefully preserved elements that make this home feel like a journey back in time. Every corner of this house tells a story, with craftsmanship that's rarely seen today. It's no wonder why this place earned a title of Pride of Pontiac. Now with these details in mind, let's head to Pontiac's historic Oak Hill Cemetery and see if we can find the final resting places of Levi, Sarah, and their family. This should add another level of connection to the lives that they built here. We're here at the Oak Hill Cemetery, one of Pontiac's oldest and most historic burial grounds. Today, we've located the final resting places of the Bacon family. This cemetery is like a time capsule, preserving stories from Pontiac's earliest days. Let's take a closer look at the graves of Levi, Sarah, and their sons. Here lies Levi Bacon, born in 1785, who passed away in 1873. His life spanned nearly 90 years, which was remarkable for that era. As an early settler, Levi contributed to Pontiac's growth, and his legacy lives on through this home. And here is Sarah Bacon. Born in 1790, she passed in 1870, leaving behind a strong family that would help shape the community. Together, Levi and Sarah built a home and a life that continues to inspire. Their sons rest here as well, each with a unique story. Here's John Bacon, born in 1808, who passed in 1879. Erastus, born in 1813, lived until 1887, and George, born in 1826, who passed in 1898. These graves are a tribute to the Bacon family's legacy, a legacy that lives on in Pontiac's Pride of Pontiac. But I do have one little secret to tell you. So, you see, the Bacon family was a fairly large family, and you'll notice there's only 3 tombstones behind me. So, doing a little bit of research, I was able to find out that Sarah and Levi Bacon were buried in Section 3 of the cemetery, Unfortunately, I was unable to find the tombstones, and upon further research, it does appear that those tombstones have either been moved or destroyed over the years. But we were able to find Erastus, his wife, and an Alice Bacon right here behind me. If you guys are interested in finding these tombstones, you can find them in Section 1 of the cemetery, which is on the north side of M59 and can be found towards the back of the property. Leave me a comment down below if you'd like me to accompany you to the cemetery to help you locate these final resting places. These graves are a tribute to the Bacon family's legacy, a legacy that lives on in Pontiac's pride of Pontiac. 46094 Woodward Avenue isn't just a house. It's a landmark that holds the story of Pontiac's past and celebrates the resilience of those who lived here. Standing here at the Bacon family's resting place, we can feel the connection between this home and the generations who loved it. If you enjoyed this journey through history, make sure to check out our other videos. We've explored the Bacon family's legacy today, but there are more stories waiting to be discovered. For more about Oak Hill Cemetery's history, check out our other video where we dive deeper into this beautiful place. And if you want to see more historic homes like the Pride of Pontiac, don't miss our playlist right here of historic properties. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Your support helps us continue sharing these incredible stories and the homes that keep them alive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next journey. Bye!